I've decided to create a bot using ChatGPT technology to simplify our crypto endeavors with the primary aim of generating passive income. Now, before we dive into the details, let me remind you that crypto landscape is rife with scammers. So take precaution to safeguard yourself and your funds. Avoid sending money to unfamiliar wallets or interacting with unknown exchanges. Alright, now without further ado, let's embark on this journey. So the basis of the bot uses concepts of arbitrage, mempools, and front run. Notably, it leverages popular decentralized platforms like Uniswap and other DEXs. Now, put simply, the bot operates on the principle of sandwich transaction. It analyzes the mempool, essentially a waiting room for transactions that have been initiated but not yet processed. So this allows us to execute transactions by specifying a gas price higher than the initiated one, resulting in a profitable price slip in the transaction. If this concept seems intricate, rest assured it's straightforward. Now, I've been using this bot for a few weeks now, and it's important to clarify that no coding experience is required whatsoever. ChatGPT has made that aspect hustle-free. So let's dive into the details and get started. So we'll begin by ensuring that you have the MetaMask extension installed. So you should visit the Remixed site. All links are available in the description. And this platform is utilized for creating Solidity language-based smart contracts. So we'll create a new file and name it according to your preference. For this instance, let's call it bot. Copy the open source bot code from the video description and feel free to verify it yourself. Initial steps include scrolling up to read the quick user guide. Now, it's important to know that for the bot to function optimally, it requires a minimum deposit of 0.5 Ethereum or more. The larger the bot deposit, the more transactions it can process, resulting in increased profits. Confirm that your wallet contains more than 0.5 Ethereum and is connected to the Ethereum mainnet chain. Then move the Solidity compiler tab to compile the bot, enable optimization to reduce gas usage, and then click on compile bot.sol. Proceed to the deploy and run transactions section, and within the environment tab, opt for Injected Provider MetaMask. Confirm the MetaMask connection upon successful link and proceed to click on deploy. Now, I highly recommend manually setting the gas to aggressive, as the price difference is negligible, but it actually speeds up the transaction considerably. Alright, so now we wait the deployment of our bot, check the terminal for deployed message and click on it, and then copy the transaction hash. Next, we'll verify on Etherscan to confirm that your bot have been successfully deployed. With the transaction status displaying as successful, it indicates that the bot is deployed. Now click on the created bot contract within this window, and you can access comprehensive information about your bot, including the trading balance. Alright, so now I'm going to return to Remix, and now you can explore the main menu of the bot. Allow me to provide a brief overview of the functions of each button. Now, set trade balance Ethereum sets the bot trade deposit in Ethereum coins. Set trade balance percent sets the bot trade deposit as a percentage of the deposit on your wallet. Start native starts the bot. Stop stops the work of the bot. Withdraw profit from your bot contracts to your wallet. Key, that's your personal API key for working with a bot. Don't give it to anyone. Okay, so now I'm going to select the key button and copy the provided key. I'm going to scroll upward, paste it into the value tab, and then I'm just going to specify the deposit size for the bot. For example, I'll set it to 1 Ethereum, and finally, I'll click Start Native. So, observing the situation, the bot thoroughly analyzes our entire wallet. So ensure that you are connected to the Ethereum mainnet and confirm. Then you're going to want to head to Etherscan and patiently wait for the transaction to be confirmed. Now, it's evident that the bot has received precisely 1 Ethereum for trading, while the remaining amount is retained in my wallet. Now let's patiently await the outcomes after 12 and 24 hours to assess the generated profit. Alright, so after 12 hours, let's review the results. Refreshing the page, I've earned 0.48 Ethereum passively, and that's equivalent to around $1,000 at the current exchange rate. That's quite an impressive outcome, I'd say. Now we wait another 12 hours, and upon reaching the 24-hour mark, let's assess the bot's performance. Refresh the page, and you'll notice that I've earned nearly 1.2 Ethereum in this period. So that's approximately $2,500 at the current exchange rate. This result is highly satisfactory, especially considering the earnings are entirely passive. So, returning to Remix, let's proceed to withdraw the funds back to the wallet. Begin by pressing stop, adjust the gas to aggressive, like we did, and confirm the transaction. Now wait until it's displayed in the terminal, and subsequently press the withdraw button, change the gas to aggressive again, and confirm the transaction. Then wait for it to appear in the terminal. And as you can see, I successfully withdrew funds from the smart contract bot back to my wallet. Alright, now you can verify on Etherscan and check your bot contract. Currently the bot has 0 Ethereum balance. So don't forget to refresh the page for updated information. Alright, so if you have errors after a contract deploy, now I will show you how to fix it. So the most popular problem is when Remix can't calculate the transaction fee. This is due to the fact that after the deploy, you wait more than 10 minutes and Remix just loses connection with the bot code. So to fix this, we need to reconnect to the contract or create a new one. We should do everything faster. In order to reconnect to the contract, first one, update the page. Click on the bot file, in my case bot.sol, and go to the Solidity compiler tab. Enable optimization and click compile. Go to the deploy and run transaction tab. Now go to the address of your smart contract, in the environment tab, select Injected Provider MetaMask, and paste the address of your contract into the add address tab. Click on it, and you have access to the bot control menu again. Then proceed according to the instructions. This method will definitely fix most of your problems. If it didn't work for you and you have gas fee related errors, try to do everything faster or contact me by comments and I'll help you. Alright, thanks for tuning in. Hopefully this video provided valuable insights and you gained new knowledge. Consider subscribing for more informative content in the realms of decentralized finance and Web3. Thank you for watching and goodbye.